This is a piece of coal from the Titanic. There's a little bitty piece of wood. I got this for my elder daughter. I wanted her to love history, and she does. She loves history. When I was a boy, if you said boat or ship, I got a mental picture of the Titanic. That was my basic idea of a ship. It made a big impression in my brain. If you asked me to make an ideogram for boat or ship, I'd probably do something with a horizontal line for the hull and 4 smokestacks. How's that? 5 lines, a ship. 6 lines, well, that really looks like a ship. My grandpa had a boat, looked like this one. I loved that boat, but this one made a big old impression in my brain. Maybe in yours too. Well, I am a product of my time. My idea of a ship is a product of history and time. If you were from this generation, the Tower of Babel generation, and your history was Genesis chapters 1 through 11, well, then you were a product of your history and time. And what would be the impression made on your brain of a ship or a boat? What would be your idea? Can you think of any boats or ships in Genesis chapters 1 through 11 that your mind would probably go back to? Yeah, it might be your grandpa's little reed boat or whatever, your grandpa's little bamboo raft. That would be okay. Let's say your family came out from the Tower of Babel and went east, way east into China. It could have been your family because, you didn't even have to be Chinese back in the day. This is the Chinese and Japanese character for boat or ship. Here's the Shipbuilders Association of Japan, and, well, here's our character right here, ship. It says they're the Japanese Shipbuilding Association. This is the ideogram representing the idea of someone's idea of a boat or a ship. It doesn't look like a ship. It's an abstract representation. We have here vessel or container. I'm going to ask my calligraphy friend to try to break that one down further. But that is vessel or container. Now this up here, does anyone know? Susan Ann, maybe. No. Marta? No. Gela? No. Count? 8! Thank you, Count. Yes, that is the number 8. The number 8. And down here, you know what this is. Mouth, meaning mouth, or the whole person. Let me see now. Noah, Mrs. Noah, Shem, Ham, and Japheth, and Mrs. Shem, Mrs. Ham, and Mrs. Japheth. How many people is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
This would make a pretty big impression on my post-Diluvian brain, I would bet. If it was maybe my grandpa's boat, my grandpa Noah's boat. For extra credit, can you tell me who Noah's Ark is? Who does it represent? All right, we're going to continue with Mount Heba tomorrow. I want to tell you all about the imperial tomb of Izanami.